Come on.
Ooh, yuck! I got your presents. You see? I do. Presents! Okay, which baby one? Mine.
It's from
Let's see
Santa.
what it is.
It's
Oh!
Valentine's
What? Turbo!
Day.
I love Turbo! On the sky? On the sky? I don't like it. I know. What? Yay! Yeah! Okay, let's see. Oh yeah? Let's see what this is. Oh, it seems something bouncy. See. See, Brendan.
Give one to Brendan.
Okay. You want yours, Brendan? Yeah. This one is yours.
My camera wants to charge it with me.
That's yours.
Those are from Santa.
A new Slinky! I love Slinkies!
That's not for me. Santa left those.
Oh, yeah.
Those green presents right in the front are from Santa.
I'm gonna open this.
Sean, what about that thing that's already open?
What? Oh, that's... What?
No, turn around. Wow!
Pokemon!
Ew.
That's what I wanted! And yuck!
Shawnee, come here. Sean, hand me that black
Use
case.
this!
You know what this is?
Pokemon cat.
No.
A laptop for me?
It's from Santa.
Haven't we opened this?
No, let's open some more presents.
Let's open some more
Hold on. Sean, that green one is for you. No. Mommy's gonna look.
Let me see.
This green one.
Which one?
That green one is for you. Brendan, those red presents are for you.
Oh, let's see what's in here. Oh, this is for me. This red one for Brendan. I think something got this right. This was my package.
Oh. Wait, Brendan, hold on.
Brendan,
This is for both of you.
I got something for you, Brendan. I
That's-
got stickers.
Shawnee, that's for both of you, for Mom and Dad. Sean, he's opening one for both of you.
Legos.
Whoa. Shawnee, look, show Sean.
Which one is? This is mine.
Let me see.
This is from your dad.
Yeah.
Oh,
No, that's Shawnee's, Brendan. Put that back. What?
Oh, let's see.
Brendan. Wait for Mommy. I'll show you which one's yours. That's Shawnee.
Thanks. Is this for my kit?
What?
Thanks, guys.
Oh. Hold on. Let's get Brendan a package.
Which one is?
Hold on. Here, Brendan. Whoa, sorry. Here, this is for you, Brendan. Let me see, Shawnee. No, that says the boys. That's for both of you. Turn around and help.